Okay, so I was looking for the BFDI sound effects on the sound effects wiki. I got curious and looked up cookie run oven break on that wiki. I found out that there are multiple sounds that come from this sound effect library called Datacraft OTOJITEN. You can find the whole thing on archive.org, and I decided to show off some sound effects I found that were in this library that Cookie Run has used. Some of the stuff in there I'm not really sure if they are in Cookie Run, so I'm gonna mark those with like a question mark.